continue my study at Hatutulak Junior High School, and I live in the old city block of boarding school, and I continue at Nasatutulak Senior High School, and my dream to be a soldier because I wish to protect the sovereignty of the nation. And I want to make my mother and my father was proud of me. And my favorite color is black. My favorite food is meatballs. And my favorite thing is Pupubima. And my personality is introvert. In this, I will introduce my parents. Then, first, I will introduce my father. Okay, his name is Sadiq. You can call him Sadiq. He is 70 years old. He was born in Sampang, and his job is farmer, and his hobby is fishing and adventure, and making care of animals. He is slim and active. He has tan skin, short, straight hair, and a pointed nose. He is a friendly person and likes exploring new places. And this one I will introduce my mother. Her name is Jumaya. You can call her Jum. She is 56 years old. She was born in Sampang. Her hobby is cooking, and she is picnic with her friend. She is woman with point full, curly black hair, and silky pointed nose. Her skin tone is fair and soft. She has thin eyebrows. Her favorite food is green chicken, and her favorite drink is hotel. Also, she also enjoys bread and vegetables.
Good.
I will introduce my brother. Okay, let me introduce the name is Haji. You can call him Haji. He is 38 years old, and his job is businessman. His hobby is make something. He has curly hair and dark hair, and he has sharp eyes, pointed nose, and he has creamy yellow skin. He is hard worker. And my second sibling, his name is Muhammad Maafi. You can call him Maafi. He worked in DKI Jakarta. He was born in Sampang, and he is 32 years old. His hobby is competition head and playing with low sound system. His characteristic is tall, and he has a pointed nose and has rather fair skin. Thank you for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.